Hi, I'm Kathleen Szabo. I'm the compliance manager for 42 North Dental. I'm a dental hygienist and I taught dental hygiene. I really know how important infection control is. It was really important for me to bring on a real compliance program. We had a program, but not really what I thought we should have. I just felt like I was reinventing the wheel every single day. And at that time, I didn't know what we were doing or where we were going or what was going to be the best for us. I know I met someone from ProEdge at one of the compliance conventions. Whoever I met with, it was just like having that conversation about what ProEdge is all about and how it works and not having any pressure. And just being able to have a conversation, like having someone understand, I'm at the beginning of this. Carly, when I was developing the program, she really worked with me to advise me, because she's the safe water specialist, but also to really listen to how we were doing it in my office. I built a whole program with her help. This is what I want to do, this is how I want to implement it. And even with the training, she specifically built her training around what my protocol was. When you're a DSO, you really need to have somebody who knows the DSO world, because it is very different. And you want somebody that's working with you in your program so that you know that, one, your programs are meeting all the guidelines and recommendations and requirements, and that, two, that the people who are talking to your people at the office level know what your programs are. I don't feel like I'm calling customer service. I feel like I'm talking to somebody who's part of my protocol, who's part of my program. If you find somebody who grows with you or who develops with you, then you're in good shape. And that's what I've had with ProEdge. 42 North Dental has a good reputation. Having people learn from you and learn what you're doing, like, whether it's from your mistakes or from your, doing things well, that is so gratifying. And actually, being asked to do something like this, really validates what I've done, and I'm very proud of it.